My husband Bob was diagnosed on his 59th birthday in 2012.
My husband Yvonne was diagnosed also at age 59.
My husband Rex, African American, was diagnosed last year at age 53.
I am the daughter of a prostate cancer patient. So I was along with the caregiver role with my mom through his whole battle. So how do you cope with being a caregiver?
Well, one of the things was to revisit some of my old passions. I started writing whenever I felt overwhelmed. I started composing songs, and it's just been refreshing, and it helps you breathe. It helps strengthen you.
One of the things that's been really helpful for me is social media, and I belong to a couple of Facebook groups.
Wow.
It's just knowing you're not alone.
Yes.
And having that connection has been very, very helpful.
When I found that I coped best is when I just kind of put my thoughts into something else, kind of like what you were saying. But they were kind of crazy things. You know, I would get on the tractor and mow lots of lawn just so I could, I felt like I needed to do something productive that I felt like I had complete control over. And that was a coping mechanism for me, so.
I was immersing myself in work because it's something that I could control. I knew what I was doing. It felt safe. My husband tends to perseverate, and he just gets stuck in this negative tape. You gotta kind of break that. You gotta stop that negative thinking. My way to cope was to do something productive, to not stay in my head.
I would advise anyone to find what your passion was. If there's a long-lost project that you haven't done, do it. Now is the time to find some activities that you can do to self-cleanse. And at the end of the day, a nice glass of red wine never hurt a soul.